my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Good job, boy. LS7R254, man. Tune in for another one. Got a package. Show you what we got for the garage. I got some. I need some room to unveil it. So finally stop bullshitting, got my banner made. Dimensions is 3x5. 3x5. Gonna get that thing hung up in the garage. Real nice quality though. I'm real pleased with it. Got it from builddesign.com. I think I paid like $40 for it. So if you're thinking about getting something like this for yourself, go on over there and check them boys out. Not sponsored, but I figured I'd tell y'all about it. Share the goodness. Yo, what's good? It's your boy LS7R254. Tune in for another one. Sponsored by Budweiser. Anyway, man, I'm gonna show y'all my wideband gauge travesty. Destroyed. So how do I tell this story? So I got a wideband. It just kind of stopped malfunctioning or stopped working. Not exactly sure why. I reached out to AEM. I told them my problem situation, and they were like, "Well, cool. We'll give you some help." I won't go down off into the details and everything, because there might be a conflict of interest. But yeah. So my wideband was destroyed, and now they were like, "Yo, we can take care of you." So what they did, they sent me out a new one. So I already got it kind of installed. It's not a permanent install, but it'll work for now, since we're not gonna be using the AC controls because it's a race car. But we got the new one in, and it seems to be reading all right. The last one, it wasn't doing anything. It wasn't heating up. Wasn't reading the sensor. Wasn't going through the startup. None of that. So, no, like I said, not exactly sure what happened, but shout out to AEM. Got it replaced for me under warranty, and we're good to go. Let me crank it up. did change it to where it's 2 digits or 3 digits instead of 4, but you can change that if you want. You go 4 digits. I just thought that was, maybe a bit much, but you can simplify it. Go 3 digits. If you want to read lambda, you can read lambda. So now we back in the game, and we know exactly where our air fuel ratio is at. It usually doesn't jump a lot after you get it tuned, but just in case. But yeah, I did want to share part number with y'all because I did order a new harness. 35-3430. This is going to go to the main plug that provides the power and everything to the harness, as well as it's going to wire into your serial port so you can log from the computer. Schematics will come with the gauge when you get it. But if you ever need a replacement, that's the part number right there, 35-3430. I think I got this from Speedway Motors. They also sell a replacement of the harness for the O2 sensor. It's just 6 wires, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so 6 wires there. This one got caught up on the exhaust, and it might have been the root of our problem. So we're gonna liquid tape. Use the liquid electrical tape, isolate those wires back again, and then see if we can salvage this harness and be good to go. If we can, then we can pretty much wire just the wires into a different setup, and then move our wideband over so we can use it in multiple vehicles. So we'll see how that goes.